Hey, what's up guys, it's Bonfire again, and here it is. This is the entire stash for Bonfire Night 2020. So I ain't gonna spend too long on this video, I'm just gonna take you a quick look through everything, as I've already done videos on everything here. So I'm just gonna do a quick guide through them. So I'm gonna start at the rockets here. These first three rocket packs are from the Imperial selection box. We did have a fourth one as well, but we set them off on Halloween. So you get them three in the Imperial. Then we've got the rocks from Celtic, Silicos, Warhawk 2, the destroyers behind them. Sorry if the light's shining on the packs a bit. And then we've got Warhawk 2 and Silico again there. And then we move down to these, which is the Shazam fountain, the Celtic Roman candles here, Wonderful Waterfall, Babadoo, and we got Boogaloo there, and these smoke grenades, Dum Bum single shots. Now go on to the selection of cakes, which we've got Buttermoon, Immortal Jellyfish, 2 Snowflake to Avalanche, and 2 Excellence. Salvo from Evolution, Angel Dust, 2 of them, Hellfire and Night Invader, the Stinger, Fluff, Lavish, the Gunpowder Barrels, and the Iron Storms there, the Crackerball Iron Storm and the Iron Storm itself. And then we have the red strobes there. And then we go on to the Supremacy pack, what I did a video of yesterday. So we got the WAP, Kimba, Remarkable, Shelby, Mafia, Exceptional, Incredible, Wisdom, Intense, Sabini, Garrison, and the biggest, which is Maximum. So that's that pack. And then we've got the Hocus Pocus Fountain and Mine combination there. We've got another of these Vampire Fountains, which I did a video of yesterday, so check that out if you're looking to buy one of them. Got some Portfires there. We've got one Hong Kong candle and a few of the smoking ices Roman candles there. Got 2 packs of atomizers, 5 pack of Big Bad Bang. Got these also single shot atom bombs and the original twin burst atom bombs there. So we got them, and we got these monster coloured sparklers and these monster neon sparklers. So that's all the bigger cakes, candles and rockets, everything there. And now we just got the selection boxes left, which is this one first, which is the party selection box. Like I says, I'm just going to give a quick guide through these as well, as I've already been through these on previous videos. So that's the party one, and we've got the Imperial selection box here. Like you've already saw, I took the rockets out, which are over there, them pre-packs, so them come with these Imperial selection boxes. So yeah, that's the entire Bonfire Night stash for 2020. So yeah, we're having it on Wednesday the 4th, tomorrow, instead of Bonfire Night itself on Thursday, because of the national lockdown coming in. So yeah, I think that's everything. So I will be doing some videos of some of these fireworks as well. Obviously not everything, but I will be doing some of them basically. So keep a lookout for them, probably after Bonfire night as well. And I'll probably be keeping, like I said on previous videos, like the wisdom and the maximum for New Year as well. So we probably won't light absolutely everything here. So that's the entire stash for Bonfire Night 2020. Thanks for watching, have a great Bonfire Night and stay safe.